Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And you guessed it, we're looking at some more Harbor Freight savings today. So today, guys, we're going to be checking out Harbor Freight's September Super Savings event, starting September 13th through September 15th. So starting today, guys, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have the opportunity to take advantage of these great savings. So today, tomorrow, and Sunday, guys, September Super Savings events. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So starting right off, we got everyone in store and online saves up to 40% off most popular items. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get a little extra off. You get up to 45% off. So again, guys, I've talked about this in the past. The Inside Track Club member, sometimes it's really good to have. And honestly, depending on how much you shop, if you shop at Harbor Freight as much as I do, it's really worth getting the Inside Track Club member. It literally pays for itself within the first couple of purchases. Unfortunately, I'm not an Inside Track Club member, and I'm actually going to have to change that because the deals are just really, really good. A little bit better than the deals for everybody else. So, without rambling on too much, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So, first up, we have any single Bauer or Hercules corded polisher or buffer. Everyone gets 40% off that, but if you're Inside Track Club member, you get 45% off. Next up, we have any single Bauer or Hercules corded grinder or sander. Everybody gets 30% off that. And Inside Track Club members, you get 35% off. Next up, we have any single Yukon, US General, or Icon storage product. Everybody gets 10% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 15% off. Really good deal on that, guys. If you're looking for a service cart, US General and Icon, not a bad deal for 10 or 15% off. Every bit counts. Next up, we got any single Quinn hand tool. Everybody gets 30% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 35% off, guys. Moving on, another great deal is the any single floor jack or jack stand products. Everyone gets 15% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 20% off, guys. Next up, any single welder or plasma cutter. Everyone gets 20% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 25% off. Next, we got any single Hardy gloves, mechanics, nitrile, leather, or more. Everybody gets 40% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 45% off. Next up, any single Badland winch or off-road product. Everyone gets 20% off. Inside Track Club members, you guys get 25% off. Next up, any single Atlas outdoor power equipment. Everyone gets 15% off. Inside Track Club members, you guys get 20% off. And last but certainly not least, any single pump, everybody gets 20% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get 25% off, guys. So some pretty good deals coming up this weekend, guys. I highly recommend you take advantage of it. The stuff I could definitely see, if you're looking for my two picks, my number one pick, just in my situation, would probably be these any single floor jack or jack stands. That would be my number one thing. As you can see here, that's including the Daytonas, the jack stands, the Pittsburgh. So not a bad deal, guys. I've talked about the Daytona jacks a lot before. Getting 15% off that is a really good deal. Next up, I would say any single Yukon or US General or Icon storage product. If you're in the market for a new tool storage, 10% off you can't beat. if you're looking for to save some money on it and you need it now, 10% off is great. Sometimes you can get better deals, but 10% off is still not a bad deal. I think my third top pick would probably be, I use cordless, but if you're a person that uses corded, any single Bauer or Hercules corded product, 30% off is not a bad deal at all. That's a pretty good steal right there. So there, guys, is your September Super Savings event starting today, September 13th through September 15th. And it's while supplies last. And down here, it's limit 1 coupon per person, per customer per day, not valid on prior purchases, non-transferable. Original coupon must be presented. Other restrictions may apply. So guys, if you guys need to take advantage of more than one coupon, or if you wanted to get a couple different, let's say jacks and jack stands, you can go in, present the coupon, and then wait the next day. So 3 days of really good savings, guys. If anybody picks up anything over the weekend sale, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. We would like to know. If I happen to pick up anything, I will definitely let you guys know. I'll do a video on it. We do have some tool videos coming. I think I'm really excited about some of the tools that we purchased. They're not from Harbor Freight. You guys are going to be excited. So stay tuned for that. It's tools you've never seen on this channel. That's all I'm going to say. I got to keep it quiet. So anyway, guys, there is your Harbor Freight weekend September Super Savings event happening this weekend. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. Also, a lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers, so if you haven't already done yet, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it's also going to help out the channel. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.